Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
I fucking keep forgetting. Damn! Really?
Yeah, you don't have to hold it that much.
Like the computer does it for you?
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
I'll get on it, but I'm not gonna launch it. Ripper! Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. We just rode in this beauty of an M2 competition. You guys already know the S55 motors in this thing. And this car is not stock. I did kind of give it the beans, but it's not my car, so I'm kind of scared. And yeah, I'm kind of scared, so obviously I'm not gonna like go crazy. And I tried to do like a hard pull for you guys, but I misshifted into 5th gear. So shame on me. A shout out to my OG friend Justin, who I haven't seen in a long time, for tossing the keys. It's about time you hang out with me, because he's been with his girlfriend.
He's too cool for me.
Nah, he's
famous now.
Once he had a girlfriend, he just said bye-bye, crew.
Nah.
He's always busy for me, boys. That's how it is. Shake my head. All right, Justin, tell me about your car. Like, you think it's where you want it to be at? Is there more you want to do with it?
So right now, it's Boot Mod 3 Stage 2, 91. And I've only been tuned for about 6 months, but it's been a huge difference, huge jump in power, torque, everything. So I think for power wise, I'm happy with where it's at, but I think for now I just want to worry about aesthetics. So I already have a front lip. It's a CS style lip from A Concepts, and then I have OEM.
Why is it blurry? Oh, there you go. That thing's clean.
Yeah, and then I have the OEM M Performance spoiler that I got for free from one of my friends. Shout out Kareem.
Kareem, if you know, you know.
Yeah. And then yeah, I want to get side skirts and then wheels eventually, and then I also need to get cow's downpipes and cat back exhaust, or actually axle back exhaust.
Yes, you need downpipes.
I already have mid pipes.
It's loud, but you need that I don't know, like that growl.
Yeah.
The S55 growl. And for wheels, what would you get? Because these are pretty clean.
See,
me personally, I wish these were like completely chromed out instead of like that two-tone color. I think that'll look hard.
It's actually, that's a factory option to get the full alloy This is the Shadow line or whatever it's called. I didn't really choose it. It was already on the lot, so I was like, all right, it's fine. But black and white, you can't beat that. But I don't know, for wheels, it's hard because like everyone wants to be different, but at the same time, it's hard to be different with all these wheels that look so similar on the market.
What you mean, bro? You know me.
What do you mean?
I'm king of different. Nah, I'm kidding. Nah, I'm definitely not.
But no, for wheels, probably Apex VS 5 RSs, the newest one. Yeah. I mean, ideally, BBS FIRs, but I can't afford that.
He's got money.
No, I can't afford
What about like BBS LMs, RS2s?
Nah, I like FIRs.
BBS LMs are way too expensive. Maybe in the future, boys, we'll get a pair for whatever future BMW I have. All right, so I've driven this car years ago, probably when you like first got it, right? Yep. And it was stock. I think I did like a second gear pull. Sure, traction control was on. Yeah, it was fast, but it was not like punch you in the face fast. It was like consistent fast. Like it just picked up speed smoothly. And now that I've driven it again, obviously with 2 people in the car, well, there's 3 of us total. Honestly, it's like, it was fast. I was scared to push it. I'm not gonna push a car that's not mine, even if the owner's in it, but it's definitely fast. Like it just picks up. I'm sure it could keep going if you just keep driving like faster and faster and faster. This car definitely has the power for it, but I'll wait to do something like that when I get my own S55 car or whatever I get. Maybe S58, I don't know, Justin. G80? I don't know about paying 100K for one.
S58 is crazy. All you need is a downpipe, a simple tune, maybe some E, and you're like in the 10s.
Yeah, that car is no joke. It can, honestly, literally, the mods he just said, you can compete with the Plaid. That's pretty gnarly, especially since BMW underrates power. That car is no joke, but so is the S55. It still gets down. Honestly, like you said, he's got the lip. Aesthetics wise, it's really aggressive. This car out of the factory gate, it's honestly pretty aggressive already, so I think that looks cool. Do you plan on color changing your Brembos?
I don't think I'm gonna bother with that. I think at that point I'll just get new brakes or new
And are these like they're chrome from factory, right?
Yeah,
it's kind of like a silver or
it's like a silverish gray from the factory. So these are actually for the M2 comp in North America standard. It's the 2NH brake package, which is basically just 6-pot in the front, 4-pot in the rear. The caliper is the same as the factory carbon ceramics, but they're not carbon ceramics. Obviously, the rotors are just normal iron discs.
Yeah, unless you're trying to spend a fortune, then there's no need to get those. I mean, you think you'll ever need those?
No.
Honestly, I'm sure these do the job, if not more. Yeah. And you said 4-pot. Oh, yep. Look at them balling. Those look like the brakes that come in the F80, right?
They're different.
Different?
Yeah, different.
Like rear brakes?
F80 is 4-pot front, 2-pot rear. But if you get the carbon ceramics, then yeah, they'll be the same as these. Calipers, same pot.
Baller! And what's the spoiler again? M-Sport?
It's the OEM M Performance spoiler.
That looks good, because this spoiler was on was it M240i?
It was on an M235i, but it's all the same.
Yeah, 35? I had that he have a 40.
No, it was a 35.
That thing was clean, but it looks like it just fits perfectly on this car. Honestly, I always like the lights on these. I think they look pretty aggressive. And you added the exhaust tips on the stock.
Yeah, they're just the exhaust tips. So it's ARM exhaust tips, and then
that looks really good. Looks beefy.
I want to get a diffuser as well.
Hell yeah, man, you need it. I mean, it looks good already, but I'm sure it'll just look way thicker. And is this how low you want, or you want to go lower, or you just want to leave it as is?
I think it's good. I don't plan on going any lower, honestly.
Honestly, it's pretty low. Cause what size are these tires? They're
these are 275, 35, 19 in the rear.
So you think you can fit 285s or no?
I've seen people actually run up to like a 305, believe it or not, on these stock wheels. They're only
wheels.
They're 19 by 10. But I've seen a couple
that's pretty
people.
Thick. It'll be like
but I think that's a little overkill.
But like with your stance, do you think they'll fit or not?
No, I have to go higher.
I mean, that's pretty meaty. Do you have like a spacer on, or is it just like natural?
It's a 5 mil in the rear and then 7.5 in the front.
Honestly, that's pretty tight already.
Yeah. And I don't rub, so.
I mean, that's good, because then he can have people in the car and you won't rub. It looks good. Can't complain with that. It's tucking a little bit of tire. I think it looks good. No need to go more, especially on a car like this that you would want to drive hard all the time. And yeah. Damn, are these OEM tires, or you changed them already?
No, so my OEM Pilot Super Sports, they only lasted me like 18,000 miles. And then these are...
That's actually a lot.
They should last
But
longer.
you drove the car a lot, so.
Yeah, it went through like 2 track days.
Damn, that's why.
But these
What
are
are these?
These are PS4Ss.
So these
just a
are-
little step up.
Okay. And how long have you been on these tires?
Ooh, since like May of like 21.
And they've been lasting, especially
Yeah.
in the rear.
Well,
Same
yeah.
tires in the rear.
Same tires in the rear. Put them on all at the same time.
Damn,
I
that's,
mean, it helps because I don't daily drive it anymore. But
that's good. Oh yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. I'm surprised it didn't break more traction.
Yeah. OEM, they were 245 in the front, 265 in the rear. But a very common thing, which I also did, was upsize by 10 millimeters. So
There you go. That's cool. I love it. Honestly, this car is so sick. I need one ASAP. Sell it to me. I'm kidding. As you guys know, the M2 comps are really expensive in the used market right now. Basically like $10,000 off, and what, like, say you got it brand new,
yeah.
depending on the mileage, the condition. But yeah, I don't know if I want to pay that much when I can get an F80 M3, you know, or a F82
I could probably sell this. So it's a 2020, has 33,000 miles. It's a manual. I could probably sell it for like, I don't know, within $5,000 of what I got it for brand new.
Yeah, that blows my mind how much value these cars hold. Also, one thing I like about BMWs is they hold value.
Not all of them.
Depends.
No, it's not all of them, but this one does, yeah.
Also, the interior on this car is like pretty subtle, but like really cool. These seats are so sick. They got the blue stitching and the M logo. This logo doesn't light up, huh? Like the M4.
They do like it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick. I always liked that about Beamer. Also got the blue stitching on the boot. And is there like blue highlight on the shift knob?
On the shifter boot, yeah, not on the
And
knob.
does that one light up?
No, it's dumb. Dude, only the F80s and the F82s light up.
Oh, that's sick. Yeah. Pretty subtle, but like the moment you guys have probably all been waiting for is exhaust videos. So Justin's gonna go ahead and start it right now, let it warm up so we can hear the burbles and crackles.